Clara? Your phone is ringing.
I know.
Are you going to answer it?
I'm thinking about it.
It is still ringing.
I know, Max, I know.
Who is it?
I don't know the number.
Unknown number. The most terrifying thing in modern life.
Huh. Why is that so scary? It is just a phone call. But when I don't know the number, something in my brain says, danger, don't answer.
Same. I never answer unknown numbers.
Nobody does anymore.
But here's the thing. In English, phone calls are already a little scary, even with a known number, because you cannot see the person. No face, no expressions, just a voice, just words, just English coming at you.
And you have to respond immediately. No time to think, no time to translate. Just speak now.
Just speak now.
Welcome, everyone, to Easily Speak English.
I am Max.
And I am Clara. And today, we are going to do something a little different. Something we have never done before on this podcast. Today, we are going to act out real phone call conversations, real situations, things that actually happen. And then, we are going to break them down together, word by word, phrase by phrase. So you will hear the phone call first. Then we will explain everything. Then you will be ready for that phone call in real life.
Because phone calls in English are coming, whether you are ready or not. Let's make sure you are ready.
Let's go.
Okay, scene 1. A friendly phone call. You call a friend you have not spoken to in a while. Clara, you are the friend I am calling. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, phone ringing. You answer.
Hello?
Hey, it's Max. How are you doing?
Max. Oh, wow, it has been ages. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Really good, actually. Listen, I was just thinking about you. What are you up to these days?
Oh, keeping busy. Work has been crazy lately, but I can't complain. What about you? What have you been up to?
Same, honestly. Hey, are you free this weekend by any chance? A few of us are getting together on Saturday.
This Saturday? Let me check. Yes, I think I'm free. What time?
Around 7, at the usual place.
Perfect. Count me in. I'll see you Saturday then.
Amazing. Can't wait. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Bye.
Bye. Okay, end of scene 1. Let's break it down. First phrase, it has been ages. Ages means a very long time. It has been ages means I have not seen or spoken to you for a very long time. Very natural, very common.
And what are you up to? This is one of the most used phrases in casual English phone calls. Up to means doing. What are you up to means what are you doing? What is happening in your life these days? Keeping busy. When someone asks how you are and you say, I'm keeping busy, it means you have a lot to do. You are active. It is a positive way to say life is full. I can't complain. This one is brilliant. It means things are okay. Not perfect, not amazing, but okay enough that I have nothing to complain about. Very honest and very natural. By any chance, this little phrase makes a question softer and more polite. Are you free is direct. Are you free by any chance is gentle, polite, less pressure. Count me in. This means, yes, I want to join. Include me. I am part of this plan. Very enthusiastic and natural. And talk soon. This is how you end casual phone calls with friends. Not goodbye forever, just talk soon. We will speak again soon. Listeners, which of these phrases is new for you? Write it in the comments. It has been ages. What are you up to? Count me in. Talk soon. Which one do you want to use today?
Scene 2. Now we go a little more formal. This is the phone call a lot of people are scared of. Calling a business, a doctor, a dentist, a salon, anywhere official.
The official phone call. Yes, this one makes people sweat.
It really does. Okay, I am calling to make a dentist appointment. Max, you are the receptionist.
Ready. Phone rings. Good morning. Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Oh, good morning. I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. Are you an existing patient with us?
Yes, my name is Clara. Clara Bennett.
Let me just find you on our system. Yes, I have you here. What seems to be the problem?
I just need a routine checkup, actually. Nothing urgent.
Perfect. How does next Tuesday work for you? We have an opening at 10:30.
10:30 on Tuesday. Yes, that works for me.
Wonderful. And is the phone number we have on file still the best number to reach you?
Yes, that is still correct.
Perfect. So we have you booked in for Tuesday at 10:30. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is everything. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We will see you Tuesday. Have a lovely day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's break this one down. This one has much more important vocabulary. First, how can I help you? This is the standard opening at any business. When you hear this, it is your signal. They are ready. Tell them what you need. Existing patient. Existing means already there, already in the system, already a customer or patient. If you have been there before, you are existing. If it is your first time, you are a new patient. What seems to be the problem? This is how doctors and dentists ask, why are you coming in? What is wrong? What do you need help with? Routine checkup. Routine means regular, normal, not an emergency. A checkup means just looking, making sure everything is okay. Nothing is wrong, but you want to check. How does Tuesday work for you? This is a very natural way to suggest a time. Not, are you free Tuesday? But how does Tuesday work for you? Scene 3. This one is very real, very relatable. A phone call where something goes wrong.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. Because misunderstandings happen, especially on the phone. Without a face, without expressions, sometimes you just don't catch what someone said.
And then what do?
We are going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, I am calling a restaurant to make a reservation. Max, you are the restaurant.
Ready. Hello, La Bella Restaurant. Good evening.
Good evening. I would like to make a reservation for Saturday, please.
Of course. For how many people?
For 4 people.
And what time were you thinking?
Around 8 o'clock, if possible?
Let me check. We have availability at 8:15. Would that work?
Sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't quite catch the time.
Of course. 8:15. 8:15.
Oh, perfect. Yes, 8:15 works.
Wonderful. And the name for the reservation?
Clara. C-L-A-R-A.
Clara. Perfect. So that is Saturday evening at 8:15 for 4 people. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes. Thank you.
Our pleasure. We look forward to seeing you Saturday. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's talk about this one. Because the most important moment in that call was, sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't quite catch the time.
That phrase, I didn't quite catch, is gold. Catch here does not mean physically catch. It means hear and understand. I didn't catch it means I heard a sound, but I did not understand it clearly.
And quite makes it softer. Not, I didn't catch it, but I didn't quite catch it. More gentle, more polite, less embarrassing.
And what happened after Clara said that?
The person repeated and gave an extra explanation, 8:15, which actually gave even more information.
This is the key lesson from scene 3. When you ask someone to repeat, most people do not get annoyed. They repeat. They help. They want to be understood. You are not being difficult. You are communicating.
Communicating clearly is always better than nodding and pretending.
Okay, let's take a small break from the scenes because I want to talk about something real.
Go ahead.
Phone call fear. It is a real thing, not just for English learners.
Even native speakers sometimes feel nervous before an important phone call. But for English learners, it is amplified, bigger.
Why bigger?
Because on a phone call, you cannot see the person. You lose all the visual clues, the face, the hands, the expressions, all the things that help you understand meaning, gone.
So you are only working with sound?
Only sound, only voice, only words. And they come fast, and you have to respond fast. No pause button, no rewind, just live English, right now.
That is genuinely scary when you think about it.
It is. And knowing that it is scary for everyone actually helps a little. You are not weak because phone calls feel hard. You are human.
But here's the thing. Every phone call you make in English, every single one, makes the next one easier. Every single one. The first time you call a restaurant in English, your heart is beating fast. The second time, a little less. The 10th time, you are calm. Practice makes the fear smaller. Practice makes the fear smaller. Not gone, just smaller. And smaller is enough. Listeners, write in the comments, what is your biggest fear about phone calls in English? Specific situations. We want to know so we can help. Okay, last scene, and this one people never talk about.
What is it?
How to end a phone call naturally, without it being awkward.
Oh, this is so real. How many times have you been on a phone call and it just doesn't end? You both want to go, but nobody knows how to finish.
The phone call that never ends.
Okay, let's show some natural ways to end a phone call. I'll start different endings, and you respond.
Ready.
Ending 1. Anyway, I should let you go. Talk soon.
Yes, absolutely. Great talking to you. Take care.
Ending 2. I won't keep you. I know you are busy. Speak soon.
Thanks for calling. Really good to catch up. Bye for now.
Ending 3. Okay, I think that is everything. Thanks so much for your help.
My pleasure. Don't hesitate to call if you need anything. Goodbye.
3 perfect natural endings. Let's look at the phrases.
I should let you go. This is brilliant. You were saying, I know you were busy. I respect your time. I am ending the call, but kindly, not abruptly.
I won't keep you. Same idea. I won't take more of your time. It is considerate, it is polite, and it signals clearly. This call is ending now.
Bye for now. Not goodbye forever, just bye for now. We will talk again. Light and friendly.
Don't hesitate to call. This means please call anytime. If you need anything, call. No need to worry or feel bad about calling. Very warm and welcoming.
And great talking to you. Always a good ending. It tells the person, I enjoyed this conversation, even if it was just a quick business call. It ends things positively.
Listeners, which ending do you like most? Write it in the comments. I should let you go. I won't keep you. Bye for now. Which one feels most natural to you?
Clara, I want to do one more thing before we finish. What? I want to call you right now. A quick call as a final practice. Ready? Okay, I am ready.
Phone ringing.
Hello? Hey, Clara, it's Max. Quick question. Did you enjoy today's episode? Max! Yes, I really did. I think our listeners learned a lot today. I think so too. And listeners, so did you? You now know how to handle a friendly catch-up call, an appointment call, a call with a misunderstanding, and how to end a call naturally. That is 4 real phone call situations. All the vocabulary, all the phrases, all the confidence you need. And here is your challenge for this week. Make 1 phone call in English. Just 1. It can be small. Order something.
book something, call someone you know. Just one call. And then come back to the comments and tell us, I did it. Tell us how it went. We want to celebrate with you. Every phone call you make in English is a victory. Every single one. Thank you so much for listening to Easily Speak English today. If this episode helped you, please give it a like. Share it with someone who's scared of phone calls in English. Subscribe for a brand new episode every single week. Take care, everyone. Your phone is not as scary as you think. Pick it up. Speak English. See what happens. Something good will happen. It always does. See you next time. Bye, everyone, and answer your phone. Goodbye.